Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every photographer, videographer, or live streamer should consider adding to their toolkit. We discovered this photography backdrop stand kit with a green screen setup and have included the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? It's a complete photography backdrop stand kit that includes everything you need to set up the perfect backdrop for your photography or video production needs. This kit features an adjustable backdrop stand, high-quality green screen fabric, 2 sandbags for added stability, 6 durable clips to secure your fabric, and a handy carrying bag for easy transport. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First up is the adjustable backdrop stand. This stand is incredibly versatile, allowing you to adjust the height from 3.5 to 7.5 feet and the width up to 10 feet. That means you can customize it to fit various shooting environments, making it perfect for both professional studios and home setups. Next, we have the green screen backdrop itself, made from premium, wrinkle-resistant polyester. This material is perfect for keying out in post-production, meaning you can add those coveted virtual backgrounds to your videos and photos with ease. The smooth, vibrant surface ensures you get crisp and clean cutouts, which is essential for achieving professional-looking results. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, it's perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to enhance your studio setup, a videographer aiming to create stunning video effects, or a live streamer in need of a reliable backdrop for your broadcasts, this kit has you covered. It's also great for those just starting out in content creation, such as online tutorial makers or hobbyists who want to up their game. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're shooting product photos, the green screen allows you to easily change backgrounds, making your products pop. For portraits, you can create a clean, professional look that enhances the subject without distractions. And for video streaming, having a reliable green screen means you can take your live broadcasts to the next level with engaging backgrounds, whether it's for gaming, teaching, or anything in between. Lastly, one of the best things about this backdrop stand kit is its portability. It's lightweight and comes with a convenient carrying bag, which makes it easy to set up and break down. You can transport it to any location, whether that's a studio session, an event, or even your home for personal projects. In conclusion, the photography backdrop stand kit with green screen setup is a versatile and practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their photography or video production setup. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.